Hello, I'm Sabrina. Welcome at Brooklyn French Baker in Brooklyn. Today I will show you how to make the croissant. At first you can put the water and the flour. You can put the yeast on one side, the sugar, the milk, and for the salt, not close to the yeast. And at the end you can put the butter. The quality of your croissant depends on your choice of the butter. Now we mix 5 minutes like this. If you don't have the mixer at home, you have to do with your hand. After 5 minutes you can speed up. 8 minutes more. You need to double check if the dough is good. You have a window, really clear dough when you do like this. The best is to put the dough in the plastic, in the fridge for all night. You put the butter in the middle. You close the dough to the butter. You push and you don't close here and there, just on the top. You push. And after, do like that. You have to go to 6 mm for the thickness. My technique is to go like this. And after, do like that. Like that. This is the double fold. You roll again. At 6 mm again. Now we will do a single fold. The single fold, it's only like that. It's finished. You have all the fold for the croissant. We take it out, the excess of the dough, and we do a rectangle. Every 8 cm like this. Inside the rectangle, you cut like this. This is the shape of the croissant. A triangle like this. And you need slowly to do like that. You do like this. Create your own puffer. You took some very hot water in a bowl, like that. And you put this bowl in the bottom of your oven. When the oven is turned off, you need just 2 hours. Inside there is all eggs. If you don't have this, you can use a regular brush. The temperature is 325 Fahrenheit for 21 minutes. Okay, now your croissant is ready. You can hear the crispy sound. And now inside, the taste is just perfect. Good butter, good layers, wonderful.